Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Panda. Today in this video we are going to be talking about some of the technical analysis about Bitcoin and also Ethereum, and we are also going to be talking about some of the fundamental analysis. We are going to go over the some news related to the crypto space. So let's start with the technical analysis first. So Bitcoin saw a huge bump from literally 21,500 and it just exploded to 23,400. So in the last video, FOMC, the Feds increased the rate by 75 basis points, which is a huge deal, but they also said that they are going to be cooling off the interest rate. So on this news, the market actually got bumped, and usually what happens whenever there's a FOMC meeting and whenever we have seen whenever there's an interest rate hike, there's a huge volatility coming up, and we saw in the starting of the week we saw Bitcoin dump, and now Bitcoin bumped on this news. So in the starting I was believing that it was just a liquidity grab, but since Powell said that they are going to be cooling off and because recession is not here yet, so market seems to be pumping quite handsomely. And if we saw stock market, Nasdaq also pumped 4%, S&P also pumped quite significantly, and the next resistance is at 4050, and we are most likely going to be touching that. But let's see how it's going to perform. But let's coming back onto the Bitcoin price. This is a 50-minute chart. So what I'm thinking is the next move. So be careful for tomorrow. And the reason I said this, because according to the astrology, I've been following a lot of people, and they think that there's going to be a dump tomorrow. So I do not support this idea, but there's some news going around the market that there's going to be a dump tomorrow, but I don't really support this idea. The reason I said it is because of the 22,500. Once we pumped above this resistance, I see only I see a very bullish momentum which Bitcoin has picked up. So even we are just retesting these levels at 23,000, and we might test the $22,700 mark. It's The chances are quite low, but it needs to get retested, and then we are gonna go upwards towards 24,000. I'm gonna mark right over here 24,000 and towards 25,000 almost. So those are my next targets for Bitcoin, and those are very highly likely that it's going to continue this momentum. The shorts have been wrecked very bad, and I I was talking about this in my last video that do not short this idea about like, oh, Feds are going to increase the interest rates, we should short the market and so on, because the whales actually manipulated the price. The huge pump of like almost $1,000 came right, like it was a 5-minute candle. So it's very, and like you cannot have any chance to short this. It was a liquidity grab, because you see, you cannot, if you have done long, you have made a lot of good profit. And in my group I mentioned that we were doing a long position from 1600 to 1681. Our targets has been hit. So the link is going to be in the description. If you haven't joined my channel yet, make sure to join my channel, and also use my referral link for BYBIT. You guys going to get almost $4,500 in bonuses if you use my link after your initial deposit. So coming back to my point, 1631 is what I'm anticipating is going to retest. It's coming slowly down around 1600 to 31 almost. I'm going to make a mark. Mm, yeah, so this is what I'm anticipating is going to retest these levels or at 1631. So around those two areas, I'm anticipating that this is going to happen, and then we're going to start the upward movement again. So I don't understand why people are so like eager to short. I don't get it actually. The reason I'm saying this, so Bitcoin is trading at 23,000, and I want to show you guys something very significant over here. I'm opening up a 1 month chart and I'm going to reset this up. Just look at the RSIs on the monthly chart. So Bitcoin is at almost 40 mark, and now it's seems like that we are going to go on an upward movement from over here. So why people are doing a short, and I don't get it. We got the bull run in 2013. You see, it went all the way to 94 and then went all the way down and then back again up. So I don't understand why people are so like hungry for a short position, because like you're most likely going to get wrecked. And in 2018 the RSI was almost at 99 right here, if you guys going can see, and that was the end of the bull market. And then it went all the way towards almost 41 mark. And now if you see the bull market, it went all the way to 93 and came back right at 41. So we are actually very close to the bottom, and I don't see any reason for shorting Bitcoin. If you're doing a short like a quick scalp, then it's fine, but I don't understand why people are so eager to do a short position at this time. I'm not going to short. This is actually in like 97 or 99% people are going to get wrecked because of this. Like you guys have to do the opposite of what is going on. So if the RSI is being like, the best bet is to hold at this point of time and just wait, and that's it. So when 2018 it changed from like bull market to the bear market, the RSI was at 41, and you guys saw like the bottom was like at 3,000, and then we went all the way to 14,000. And this is something you guys need to understand, that you guys have to understand. Holding is the best strategy. Selling right now and trying to think, oh, I'm going to buy it at 18,000, 17,000, that's like not a smart strategy. So if you want to invest more capital, that's a different strategy. But whatever you guys have, the holdings, selling that in anticipation of buying low, that's not something smart, a- at least at this point of time. So some of the news I wanted to share with you guys, a lot of news are going on after the interest rate hikes. Mm, So, bullish rate hike. Why crypto spiked today in the face of bad news? So, this is something a good article which you guys need to, if you guys want to, you guys can read it. It's on Cointelegram. I just wanted to create an awareness of what's going on in the market. The hot stories are three signs Bitcoin price is forming a potential macro bottom. So, you can also go over there and check it out. What are the three signs? It looks good. There's going to be a merger on Ethereum, chances to take over Bitcoin. So yes, I'm very bullish in the next couple of weeks for Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin, and it has been outperforming Bitcoin for a while now. If you guys can see Bitcoin, let me see, come over here. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum pumped almost 14%, and Bitcoin almost 10%. That's a big move. So the market cap is $1.06 trillion dollars. I'm actually very bullish right now, and I'm anticipating that Bitcoin is going to test 25,500 to $28,000 region again, and that will be the best bet at this point of time. So also the dominance looks 41.18%, and I'm anticipating with Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, there's going to be an mini alt relief rally too as well. If you see Polygon, it's performing very well. The layer 2 projects are performing quite good. So as thought, but I wanted to show ETC, Ethereum Classic. The last time it pumped, and yesterday it pumped like 30%. I'm anticipating that this is going to give some kind of a relief rally to all the altcoins out there in the crypto market. So yes, those are the signs which you guys need to look and see the strength or the market sentiment. I'm very bullish on Dogecoin. Still, this is a cheap price, 6 cents. This is going to be very good in the near future. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and until the next time, stay blessed. See you. Bye bye.